Some news from the Supreme Court, and this has got to do with Vijay Mallya's transfer of assets to his son. The court has told Vijay Mallya to return $40 million from the sale of United Breweries property to his children. That was void, is what has been said by the Apex Court. All money transferred by Mallya to be returned to the loan recovery officer with 8% interest. So more trouble there brewing for Vijay Mallya. Anisha Mathur is tracking all of those details. Anisha, just break this down for us. What has the court really said? There's also the court wrapping Vijay Mallya and sentencing him to 4 months prison as well. Do you have more details on that front too?
So, Vijay Mallya, remember, is facing contempt of court proceedings with regard to failure to repay more than 9,000 crore rupees of bank loans which are related to the Kingfisher Airlines issue. Now, this case has been going on in the courts for a very long time. In 2017, when Mallya had sold certain properties belonging to United Breweries, that was a sale for $40 million. Now, he had assured the Supreme Court that that money will be used to repay the bank loan, and that is the only reason why he was allowed to make that transaction to sell off those properties. But instead of repaying the bank loans, he had transferred that $40 million to his children, and the Supreme Court had initiated contempt of court proceedings against him. Now, between 2017 and 2022, that is the last 5 years, the court has been trying to get Vijay Mallya back to India to face contempt proceedings, to get him to repay some part of that loan that he still owes to the banking consortium in India. But now, finally, the Supreme Court has issued its sentence. Vijay Mallya will face 4 months of imprisonment, plus 2,000 rupees fine as contempt of court. In addition, he and his family, his children, have been directed to return that $40 million plus 8% interest or per annum interest. So that means more than $50 million will have to be returned now to the loan recovery officer that has been appointed by the banking consortium, so that at least this money can come back to the banks. The Supreme Court has also noted that despite multiple Mallya has gone to India, he has not even shown any remorse. He has not at all tried to repay the money that he owes the banks, and that is why the Supreme Court has now finally passed its sentence. But the question now...
All right, Nisha, thanks for getting us those details. Anisha Mathur with that detailed report on further trouble brewing for Vijay Mallya.